Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see one small but very useful functionality from the latest version of Odoo version 19.1 regarding the sales and quotation. So in older version of Odoo, if you want to confirm a bulk sell order or more than one sell order, then we have to go one by one through all quotations. But now in latest version of Odoo, if you want to confirm more than one quotation at a time, then it is feasible and it is possible in latest version of Odoo. So let's see how it works. So jump on sales and quotation, and let me just filter out quotations only. So now we can see we have a quotations available, and if you want to select more than one quotation, then we have one button available to confirm a quotation, and if I'm clicking on it, so my selected quotation are processed, then it convert into sale order. So let's jump on a sale order. We can see these two quotations are now confirmed and it is in sale order. So with the latest version of Odoo, now we can able to confirm a batch of quotation. So I hope guys you like this functionality, and if you like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.